Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming you have the exact Gandalf NextBots build and any required add-ons, mismatches hide stickers. Once done, open the developer console and bind a key for fast commands so you can teleport or knock-clip. Next, spawn one bot at a time and visually scan model surfaces, focusing on chest, back, and head. Make sure to take clear screenshots from multiple angles. These immediate actions get you into data collection quickly and ensure repeatable results. Now you dig deeper. Enable knock-clip and move the camera inside and around the model to expose hidden seams where stickers often attach. Once positioned, run console commands to print the NextBot model path and material list. This reveals texture and decal file names. Then cross-reference those names with your add-ons or materials folder so you can open the actual texture. While doing this, change lighting and angles to reveal low-contrast stickers, and document any decal file names for later extraction. Finish by extracting the decal textures from the material or VMT files and saving them with clear names so you can reapply or edit later. Next, verify each sticker by reapplying the texture in a controlled test map or using workshop preview tools. Confirm placement and alpha channels. If a sticker doesn't appear, check for material overrides, mount points on the model, or conflicting add-ons that replace textures. One key tip: restart the map after installs to clear cached materials before you repeat verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.